Remember these days, those are long gone. The world of an automotive service technician has evolved into one of the most technologically advanced and competitively compensated careers out there. And they're in demand now more than ever at the Morgan Auto Group.
Service technicians are the lifeblood of your operation. There's opportunity today to grow within our group on the income side and on the position side.
The amount of technicians that are available today to work on vehicles is nowhere near the capacity that the automotive industry needs.
We're dispelling the myths and stigma of the industry.
The days of dirty, filthy shops, those days are over.
Getting to the truth of working for aftermarket shops versus dealerships.
The aftermarket independents don't have the same capability to pinpoint an issue with a vehicle the same way that a brand-specific dealer does.
To help the right people find their next career here with the Morgan Auto Group.
I became a shop foreman, and just throughout all the training and schooling that they provided, I was able to roll into the position that I have now as a technical trainer for the auto group.
To facilities.
So we have a brand new state-of-the-art facility here at Cherry Elm. Not only do you have an air-conditioned, climate-controlled environment, we also have state-of-the-art lifts.
We have all the newest software updates for our scan tools. We need to make sure that we're on track and moving forward to be able to fix these cars easily.
From training,
we have 2 certified trainers that are ASE certified across the board that spend time with our technicians and give them that assistance that they need coming out of a classroom environment into a functional working shop. They have specialty training that has been partnered with the manufacturers where you can take an additional 12 to 14 week course that we would pay for in return for working for Morgan Auto Group.
To earning potential and education.
So there's a lot of money to be made, but not a lot of people jumping into it.
Right now I currently have a technician that he's put 3 kids through college.
And now the longer you're with the company, you get more training, and with training becomes more pay.
We put together 3 separate type scholarships that covers the entire spectrum of the technicians that are out there today.
The overall earning potential for a technician in the Morgan Automotive Group is well over 6 figures. I mean, the revenue that you can make for your family, for yourself, is uncapped.
With the Morgan Auto Group, you're more than just an employee. You're a vital member of our family. That's why we believe in growing from within.
Morgan Auto Group likes to take care of us as technicians. They give us an annual bonus on retention too. Every year before Thanksgiving we get a bonus check just for being there and being part of the company.
This is a growing company. They're always looking for new talent. They're always looking to promote talent from within. They promote talent. They recognize talents. They develop that talent. So they're always looking to progress individuals from inside.
Because if our people can't grow, how can we? That's how Morgan makes it happen.
By having a people-first quality, exceptional facilities, competitive pay, and great training and support, we think the Morgan Auto Group is the right home for you if you're thinking about becoming an automotive repair technician.